I have found several shrews, including the one in my photograph, this year while gardening and on walks, and friends say the same. I've always believed that they are fairly uncommon. Jack Quinn Thomastown, Company Kilkenny Pygmy shrews are native and common, but threatened by the alien white-toothed shrew, which is very local at present. We spotted a gorgeous yellow and black striped dragonfly in a marshy lake area in Rathbeggan, Company Meath. It landed on my palm and was 22½ and 45 centimeters long. Claire O'Keefe Greystones, Company Wicklow. It might be the gold emerald dragonfly, which has only been confirmed in this country a couple of times. But it is more likely to be the moorland hawker, which is found in that habitat. Eyes on Nature. The truffle that Charles Carroll found while digging at a tree in his garden. I found the item in my photograph just under the surface while digging at a tree in my garden. I think it is a summer truffle. Charles Carroll, North Wall, Dublin. It looks like a summer truffle. They are found here, but not many people are looking for them. You can buy a young hazel tree with roots impregnated with truffle fungus. Eyes on Nature. The oak bush cricket that Shane Kenny found in his hole. I found the oak cricket in my picture in my house. I believe it is rare this far north. Shane Kenny, Donnybrook, Dublin. This oak bush cricket is local in the southern half of Ireland. It has long wings, unlike the southern oak bush cricket, which has very short wings. Eyes on Nature. The sand dollar that and Ryan's nephew found on a beach in California. Can you identify the shell that my nephew found on a beach in California? The top surface is slightly raised and curved, and the underside completely flat. And Ryan Enniscorthy, Company Wexford. It is a sand dollar, which belongs to the same class as the sea urchins and starfish. Ethna Viney welcomes observations and photographs at Albin, Lewisburg, Company Mayo, F28 F978, or by email at viney@anu.ie. Please include a postal address.